So this is what dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, looks like. And you can clearly see the eye of the dragon right here, eyebrow, and then the flame coming out of the mouth. So it's pretty impressive. Pitaya comes in different colors inside: purple, pink, white, yellowish, and it's quite delicious. So this is the immature fruit. It's getting ready to ripen. Doesn't it look amazing? It totally looks like the head of a dragon. So no wonder, dragon fruit. And let's look at the rest of the plant. It's actually sort of a climbing cactus, and you can see the stems. It's actually being trellised up on this roof fence, and it's pretty large, so you need a good amount of space, full sun, subtropical, tropical conditions, and you need patience, because to get to this size right here, it's gonna take quite some time. If you start with a large cutting like this one right here, it will definitely speed up the process. But if you only have small cuttings, you know, you're gonna have to wait longer for it to produce fruits. So again, dragon fruit known as pitaya. Thanks for tuning in. organichawaii.org. Mahalo.